Well, tax time is here once again. Seems to come faster every year. Roughly a quarter Americans wait until the last minute to file their taxes every year. If you're one of them, the BBB, the Better Business Bureau, has a timely message about choosing the right tax filer. Cameron Nakashima joins us once again this week from the Better Business Bureau to explain. Good morning, Cameron. Thanks for coming on the show again.
Good morning, Chevy.
Yeah, so we're talking about taxes. Cameron, nobody wants to talk about taxes, right? But we have to. Yep. And as with the taxes, we always have some issues. Should we be using a tax preparer in a time crunch like this? And how do we find a good one?
Yeah, even in a time crunch like this, viewers should know that they do still have a few options. Self-filing can be faster sometimes, but a recent study from the IRS shows that roughly 50% of Americans would prefer to use a tax preparer. And there's a few good reasons why you might want to use a tax preparer. If your taxes are really complex, if you're a business owner, or if you're just not comfortable with the ever-changing tax laws, those are all great reasons to work with a tax preparer professional. A professional tax preparer can also help you navigate tax credits, deductions, and let you know if you're a married couple, whether you should file jointly or separately.
You know, Cameron, a few years ago, I sold a house on the mainland that I owned, so it was a big deal. I decided to get a tax preparer because that's a big deal. You got a big life change like that, it gets very complicated. And somebody recommended a place in town in Honolulu to do it. And I also recommend for people to at least be a little bit aware of what's going on, because you know why? They the tax preparers made a $25,000 mistake on my taxes. Fortunately, I caught it. You know, I noticed what I owed was abnormally high. So you got to be careful. And I just read up on some things. Don't just take their word or anyone's word, right? So we got to be careful when we do this kind of thing. For people who decide they need a tax preparer, Cameron, what credentials should you be looking for? I mean, is there a license? Do they have to prove I'm a tax preparer?
Yes. And your story is interesting, and I have some tips on that in a moment. But yes, all tax preparers must legally have an active preparer tax identification number. That's a PTIN, and that is something that they get through the IRS. Beyond that, they're also tax preparers are regulated by the state. So the state of Hawaii, the Hawaii Department of Taxation is going to have some specific laws about that. So you can find that out on their website. But beyond the legal credentials, you're also going to want to ask them a couple screening questions, such as how long have you been a tax preparer? How will you protect my private information? That's a big one. And also, in crunch time like this, how long will it take to complete and file my taxes?
Yeah. All very good questions. And, you know, this number you're talking about, I imagine there's a place to go to verify the number is actually a real, you probably enter it on the website. So last question, Cameron, it's important as well, as we're only a few days away from tax filing, the cutoff day. In the rush, what should our viewers be looking out for to help them avoid, you know, a bad tax preparer?
Here's a few final tips to help you quickly weed out all of those bad tax preparers and find good ones fast. The first thing is to be wary of spectacular claims. Some tax preparers will say that they can get you the best deal, the best refund, better than anybody else, and that's a red flag. Also, if things don't add up, feel free to find somebody else. You know, it is crunch time, but you should still be doing your due diligence. If they're not able to provide proof of their credentials, if they have a lot of bad customer reviews, or if they have business practices you're not comfortable with, you need to make sure that you're comfortable with these people, because they're the ones you're giving some private personal information to, and you need to keep that safe. And lastly, get referrals from friends, family, and the BBB. One of the best ways to get a trustworthy tax preparer quickly is to get recommendations from loved ones. You can also go to bbb.org, pay special attention to the comments, the reviews, and the complaints, and look for the BBB seal. That's a sign of a better business.
Yeah, when you're crunch time like this and you're rushing, it's easy to overlook anything that you've talked about this morning. So make sure you're paying attention while you're rushing. That's important. Thank you so much, Cameron. We need this. I mean, one little tip that you've had to us this whole interview could save someone $5,000. I mean, little things count. And like you said, make sure it's somebody that, you know, doesn't have a big Statue of Liberty inflatable outside the door. Maybe, not that those are bad places, but Better Call Saul had one of those. But yeah, just know who you're dealing with. Try to verify with that number, and always go to the BBB website for verification on the businesses. BBB website has a lot more than that too. Thank you, Cameron, for joining us.